get out of here. Star. Some Harry Potter shit.
Far Cry 4 is set in the communist island of Kyrat under the leader Pagan Min. You take on the role as AJ Gale, the son of the creator of Kyrat's rebel group, the Golden Path. Originally you were sent to Kyrat to spread your dead mother's ashes at a lake in Kyrat, but the rebel group came to you first, so you'll have to save Kyrat from Pagan Min's regime. That's what I understood anyway.
Gameplay.
Far Cry 4 is an open world first person shooter. I've been told that the gameplay is straight ripped from Far Cry 3, but since I haven't played that, I'll give my honest opinion here. My god, are there a lot of ways to travel. You can ride an elephant, fast travel, take a car, paraglide, and my favorite one, you can use a squirrel suit. Damn, that's awesome. Through Kyrat you'll find structures to capture, an upgradable house, and classic first person shooter elements. In Far Cry 4 you can customize your abilities to your desire, by either going in as a tank with a lot of HP killing off everything quickly, or you can sneak in and take it slow and steady, which I recommend since this game is hard as fuck. I played on the normal difficulty, and let me tell you here, let me be clear, if you're new to shooters, go with the easy setting, because just on normal I've died at least 100 times, and I'm not even 15% through the story yet. Bad. Bugs, bugs, bugs. You run into them, whether it's the screen randomly going from full to windowed, or simply the scroll suit not activating upon pressure, or you're trying to pick up a body only to kick it on the ground, you'll find them. It isn't as bad as it has been though, and it certainly is better than Assassin's Creed Unity. Good! The different things to do. There are side quests upon side quests, lovable characters.
Wait, what? Empower like empower? But that's an archaic term. It still means disavow.
What, like flammable and inflammable? Oh shit.
Oh!
Om Nam Shiva, Om Nam Shiva, Om Nam Shiva, Om Nam Shiva, Om Nam Shiva.
Great story, some downright scary moments. Beautiful graphics, a whole lot of shit to discover, and best of all, my middle-end GTX 770 runs this game 60 FPS, 1080p, ultra graphics, no problem. So in the end, should you get it? Buy it in the Steam sales or get down to GameStop, because this shit right here is worth full fucking price. Nice job, Ubisoft. There was a title this year that you didn't fuck up.